another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my new modifications that I've done to this car. And if you notice, it's really windy in here. That's because my B-pillars are off, and one of my friends tidied them up because they've been bugging me for a long time. And I'm really surprised that no rain came in here last night, because it was absolutely belting it down, and you could pretty much stick your fingers inside the car, in between the window and into the car, with the B-pillars off, and no rain has come in here. So I'm glad for that, because otherwise it's just going to start smelling like damp. So I'm going to go into work now and catch up with you guys as soon as I finish. Just give the car a quick clean because it was absolutely stinking, but it's guaranteed to rain. So right now, yeah, I have finished work, but it is a Sunday. It's like 3 days on from where I just left off, and that's because it's been absolutely hammering down. I have had things planned and nothing has just gone to plan. It was something that couldn't be done in the rain. I needed it to be nice weather, but it was sort of picked up. The sun has sort of come out and the rain's gone. I have had new parts. I fitted them about 3 days ago, but for you guys it was a couple of seconds ago. So they've been fitted. Really happy with the outcome, and I'm going to show you guys in just a second. But for now, I'm just going to carry on, make my way up, and I'll catch you guys when I'm up there. So these are the new parts I've fitted. I've got the Maxton rear diffuser and the little side bits there. My exhaust tips used to stick out quite a lot, and I used to get told this pretty much all the time. Now this is why the exhaust is sticking out so much, was because I knew that I was going to be having the diffuser. As you can see there, now the diffuser actually sticks out more than the exhaust tip, so that's something that I really like. And these little side bits, I'm really not too sure what they're called, but they really sort of tie in with the rear diffuser. And my new side skirt extensions, these are actually for a Mark 7.5. The reason why I went for these was because this little piece here, on the ones that are actually meant for the Mark 7, they just come out here and you don't actually have this little fin. I'm not too sure what to call it, but as you can see, they fit. Overall, I'm really happy with the skirts. They really tie in with the front lip. They just finish the car off, in my opinion. guys my B-pillars. I did have them wrapped in carbon by my friend Josh, so if you are watching, thanks for that, and I'll insert that video clip now. As far as wrap goes, how much better can you actually get than that? Because you can get that really sort of matte finish. Didn't want that. This one's a really nice glossy finish, so I'm happy with that. But I'm definitely gonna have to change my wheels now. With the whole black Maxton kit and the carbon B-pillars, I'm gonna end the video here. I know it's a short one again, and I do apologise for that. But this video is pretty much me showing you guys my new parts. I did have other plans, but like you already know, they didn't work out. For Mark 7R and GTI content, head over to R50 Motive over on Instagram. For weekly content, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.